Hello everyone. Today, I'll show you how to change name in Roblox in just a few easy steps. If you're looking to change your display name on Roblox, you're in the right place. Before starting, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Also, check the description box for helpful tools and apps. To change your display name on Roblox, first of all, open the Roblox app on your mobile device. Once you are on the main screen, tap on the three dots icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. A new screen appears with different options. Now, scroll down and tap on Settings. Again, a new screen will appear. Here, you will see different settings. From the Settings menu, tap on Account Info. Here, you will see your display name and username. Tap on the Edit icon next to your display name. A pop-up box will open where you can enter your new display name. Remove the old name and type the name you want. After entering, tap the Save button. Your new display name will now be updated, and other Roblox players will see it in games, chats, and on your profile.